Uh-oh, Houston. Looks like we got a problem. I'm going to have to make a new neck for the hollow body guitar. Now, if you've been following my channel, in a recent video in this series where I'm building both the solid body and the hollow body guitar, you might have seen where I punched a hole in the back of the neck. And what happened was I was trying to install the truss rod in the neck for the hollow body guitar, and the truss rod fit pretty tight, which is normal. But as I was pressing it in, I heard a crack. And when I turned the neck over, I noticed that the adjustment nut for the truss rod had punched through the back of the neck. And the reason that happened was when I was making this neck, and this goes all the way back to when I made the 3D model for it, I decided I was going to try to make this neck as thin as I thought I could get away with. Well, obviously I went a little too far. The neck was too thin. So the truss rod slot, which is at its normal depth, was deep enough that the wood over the truss rod at the back, on where the contour is, was too thin. So when I pressed that truss rod into it, the adjustment nut cracked what is actually about the thinnest part of the neck. So what I need to do is I'm going to have to make a new neck for the hollow body guitar. And it's actually not that big of a deal, because when I designed that hollow body neck, I was trying a different idea, a different approach for making the heel. And as it turns out, I'm not really too happy with the way that turned out anyways. So you can almost think of this neck as sort of a prototype that didn't work. So I'm going to go back in, I'm going to redesign the neck, and I'm going to make a new one on the CNC machine. So I've got a lot to do. Let's get started. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, I would encourage you to click the thumbs up button down below. Do it right now. It's a great way to show my channel support, and it doesn't cost you anything. But if you'd like to take your support to the next level, you can visit my eGuitar Plans web store or my Highland Guitars merch store. There's links in the description below. And any purchase you make there is going to help support this channel so that I can keep making guitar building videos and sharing my knowledge and experience with you. You can also click the thanks button down below and leave a tip in the amount that you think is fair. But if you want to get the most out of my channel, I would encourage you to click the join button down below and consider becoming a member. As a member, you're going to have access to videos just like the one you're watching, but with a lot more information and detail, and best of all, no ads. Now let's get back to the video. All right, guys, mission accomplished. I have two necks for these two guitar builds, the hollow body neck and the solid body neck. So what I need to do next is some sanding. I want to fine tune the radius. Both necks have a 12-inch radius. So I'll be using a 12-inch radius sanding beam to make sure that those radiuses are perfectly generated. Then I need to sand the necks, especially this hollow body neck, because I've got a lot of glue schmooze on the back of it that I need to get rid of. From there, I'm going to install the frets, and then I'll probably do an initial fret leveling. And once that's done, I'll install the necks into the body. So that's kind of what is on schedule next, but I'm not sure how much of that I'm going to get done in the next episode. We'll see. So hopefully you've enjoyed this episode. If so, give it a thumbs up. Click that button right now. Stop what you're doing and just move your little cursor over that thumbs up button and click it. That really helps the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, and it tells YouTube what kind of videos you like to watch, so it will know what to serve up in your YouTube timeline. And of course, if you want to do more to help support my channel, you can do all the things I mentioned earlier in this episode. But until the next episode, as always, take care, stay safe, and I hope you'll be back for more guitar building videos.